lazy days in Denmark.
Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard! Some free overnight stops feel too good to be true. You can begin your day by walking in a fresh forest. Return to your camper van for hearty breakfast. Continue exploring the surroundings and local hiking trails. After brisk walks, a hot shower is a luxury, and you must be hungry.
I really don't do this often. And I hope this diesel cooktop ignites at the first try. I should get a red light here. A solid red light. It ignited. Good. This doesn't ignite every time at the first try. I can't recommend this diesel-fueled cooktop too much. I don't know if you can call this cooking, but I just put everything in the pot and heat it up, and that's good enough for me. This is supposed to be vegan curry sauce with thailändische Art auf Deutsch. Now I let it simmer for 10 minutes and that's it. Cooking with Padasana. Easy and quick cooking. Again, I could use this second plate here to heat up the rice, but I'm a simple person. I use the microwave oven. Let's go out to eat. Just in time for the boat. And the dog walker. And the other campers around here. Hot, but good, really good. Vegan food, I can recommend. I don't normally make vegan food. Well, sometimes I make, but anyway, it's good. I'm again one of those weirdos who is the only one parking away from the sun.
Unfortunately, all holidays come to an end. It's time to enjoy the sunset and prepare for the next journey.
Brisk! I just came from the service stop, so grey water is drained and fresh water tank is full now. Chemical toilet is clean now. And I'm in Denmark, heading to the long bridges Storebæltsbroen and Øresundsbroen. and they are easy with this ProBiz. No sponsor, but I just recommend this a lot if you travel across those bridges, because for me, with this is very cheap. It is 51 euros one way with this vehicle, with this ProBiz. Any case, I guess it's time to go back to, work, normal living, relatively normal living in Finland, and there isn't really anything much happening in my life, so I guess this is all this video travels. Let's see again with some repairs, and maybe there are some other, surprises going in Finland too, but without further ado, thank you for watching this travel series, and see you again in the future. Bye bye!
Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time!